Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how I organize my washer and dryer business and exactly kind of quick overview of exactly what I'm doing to make money with washers and dryers. So I just got this one in. I have a lot of people that do scrapping that bring me stuff, so instead of them taking it to the scrapyard and getting $5 to $8 depending on the weight, which that's a dryer, it's definitely lightweight, it's lower end of that scale. I give them, for dryers I pay 15, for washers I pay 20 because washers weigh more. So that's how I pick up most washer and dryers. This one's from today. I'm not organized it yet. And these two are from yesterday. So I paid 20 for this washer and 15 for this dryer. And I have been on vacation back and forth over the last couple weeks. And right now, I'll show you what's happened over the last couple weeks. This is my tent of stuff that I've just gotten in recently. Some of the ones in the back have been here a little while because I didn't feel like working on them. And usually the ones that are harder to work on, I will move to the second tent over here. And if I make it to it, I make it to it. If I don't make it to it, I usually will just pull parts off them and move on. A lot of it's about time management with this kind of a business. You don't want to spend 4 hours on something and an expensive part if you can just pull a couple parts off of it. And I paid 15 to 20 bucks for it and pull enough parts off it to make it worth my while, and then eventually scrap it out and I'll get my money back from what I paid for it anyway. But so organization wise, they come in, I'll organize them by easy to fix, extremely hard to fix in that tent. I'll bring them into my shop. On the left side I do repairs, on the right side I do sales. So I can just open up that side of the shop, and when someone walks in, it's just a line of washers and dryers with prices and stuff on them. And after I'm done repairing them, I'll bring them out here and I'll bring them far enough away that I don't get overspray on my cars, and I'll paint them and clean them up, and then I'll bring them into this covered trailer so they don't get dirty, just right back off again. And if I get more than, I like to keep about 4 to 5 washers, 4 to 5 dryers up for sale at a time. If you have too much, I find that it gives people more of a not able to make a decision because there's too many to look for, and maybe you'll have a lot more next week kind of a feeling. And if you're always 3 and 3, it's kind of like the key number to me. That way there's only 3 choices and on washers and a dryer. But for the rest of them, I'll keep them in this trailer. And I've had times where I've had this trailer completely full. I like to go through and do a process of just fixing constantly for several days until this trailer is completely full. And then all I have to do is, I don't have to be fixing every day. I can just start piling up in the tent, and then as I feel like it, I can start working on stuff, or I just don't have to work for a while and all I have to do is just focus on just sales. So it's kind of a process of, do I want to just be concentrating on working and ordering parts? And then after I'm done doing that, I'll move on to, do I want to be cleaning and painting? And after I'm done doing that, they'll go in that tent, and then I'll just focus solely on listing them, selling them, delivering them, listing them, sell them, deliver them. If there's some type of warranty work to be done, I'll go do the warranty work. But for the most part, I test them pretty thoroughly, and I don't actually do a lot of warranty work. But that was it for today. I'm going to do a couple of videos on this because I'm starting to get out of this business. I'm doing mainly real estate, rental properties, and I'm kind of getting to the point now where I'm wanting to start moving away from this and more focus on that business. But if you guys have any questions, please put them down in the comments below and I will answer you, and I'll make a couple more videos about how this business works.